Hello, welcome to Docsumo. Today I want to take you through the various lending use cases that you can try out on the Docsumo platform. I will explain how easy it is to upload a folder to the system, how to underwrite by extracting data across the documents, how to perform cross-document validations, and finally generate a very detailed and ready-to-use Excel report. Let's start with uploading your sample data packet to the system. I want to showcase how easy it is to upload an entire folder. You don't even have to manually classify the documents. Let me just upload to the auto classifier because I don't want to manually classify, but instead upload a folder at once. So I can just go ahead and pick up a packet. Let's say this is my packet, and I'll drag and drop the folder here. Within a few seconds, you will see all of the documents getting uploaded. And we'll also have this folder here. Once the folder is added to your case, you can check inside and see how the documents are getting processed. We'll come back to this folder again. In the meantime, I'll walk you through the doc type setup process. Setting up a doc type is pretty simple, and let's say I just upload a new sample invoice that I want to analyze. If it's an existing doc type, it will recommend you to use one of the existing templates. If not, you can always create your own. I'm just creating my own template here. It also goes and extracts the fields for you so that you don't have to set it up manually. But it's always advisable to take a look at it and make sure that you have all the fields that you want. And if you look at the right side, you have a lot of power of customization at your fingertips. You can set up the fields that you wish to extract, and you can change the description. For example, the invoice number is in certain format, or it has a very specific pattern. If you want to do some cleaning operations on top of it, you can do that. If you just save it, it will create a doc type, and then you are good to go. Here you go. The doc type is now created on your system. Let me showcase you what information you get to see on your review screen. So, let's go back to the folder we previously uploaded and open it up. For context, this particular batch contains the details of the client requesting you for a loan. So, when you open this batch, you will get to see all the documents at a glance. And if you click into it, you can open the document and then review the data which Docsumo extracted from the document. You can see how Docsumo has accurately extracted the key transactions here, the account level details, the account number, and much more. Docsumo can also parse document data across your emails while maintaining high confidentiality as it complies with the global privacy standards. I'll take you over to the validation screen. What you get to see here are all the validations that you would want to set up on that packet. So, in this case, we need to make sure that the name across the packet remains the same. If you see from loan application, we are looking out for the legal company name, which is Spencer Limited. We normalized it to match from business credit report. We again extracted the Spencer from bank statements, and we made sure that it matches. If any of them do not match, then you would have seen this check fail. I'll just quickly showcase what that means. I can click on it and open the document. Let me just put it as Docsumo for the sake of it, and let me go back. Here you will now see how Docsumo's validation flags it, saying that the name is not consistent. Similarly, there are other checks. All of these checks are very customizable. You let us know what you want, and we can set it up accordingly. Or you can start with this default template. Docsumo's Lending Doc AI also offers detailed analytics screen, which unlocks a 360-degree overview for your client's data, with lending-specific metrics like the risk score, non-sufficient fund count, negative cash flow, and several other key metrics. Again, all of these are very customizable. As you can see, this is basically the debt position that the company has. The cash flow that the company is having across the 3 months is very easy to visualize and figure out if you want to lend them or underwrite them. All the transactions under categories, total deposits, total withdrawals, along with the risk indicators that we are capturing, and the borrower's information at the end of the report. So all of this information is available inside the template which comes out of the box. But if you want, we can always customize this for you so that you underwrite as fast as possible, and so that the metrics that are relevant to you are the only ones you see on your dashboard. The same goes for documents as well, and we've considered these 4. That doesn't mean these are the only 4. If your packet has, let's say, 10 different kind of documents, so be it. We can extract data from all 10. Create your own custom validation screen. Create your own analytics screen. It's hyper-configurable. Finally, let me also showcase the Excel sheet that you can download. You can just download the XLSX file here and this will generate a very detailed Excel sheet for you. And let me just open this up for you. If you notice, the sheet has a few tabs. The executive summary of the company, the risk assessment that we did with the data that we captured, the cash flow of the company, all the balances right in front of you, the detailed transaction report that you have with the categories that we've categorized, the credit report that the user submitted, and the borrower profile as well. Thank you for watching this far, and hope you had a great time learning. Get started with 100 free credits with the link in the description, or let us know what else you want to experience on the Docsumo Lending Doc AI platform.